Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. Get ready. 5 seconds. In the civil court at Rajahmundry, OS number 1 by 2025, between K. Rao plaintiff versus K. Money defendant, sued for the injunction on the use of unused land as a dumping area. The plaintiff submitted as under: 1. The plaintiff is a resident of Rajahmundry and the defendant is a neighbor of the plaintiff. 2. Unused land is near the house of the plaintiff, which is used by the defendant as a dumping yard for the waste material of her house. 3. That defendant was all the time throwing the waste material in that unused land near the house of the plaintiff. 4. Since a very long time of being used as a dumping yard by the defendant, there is a collection of huge waste material that leads to the health problem of the plaintiff. 5. That the court has jurisdiction on this matter to fix an injunction on the use of unused land as a dumping area, as it restricts his free movement and also leads to affect health due to the defendant's action. It is prayed that a decree for the injunction is passed in favor of the plaintiff against the defendant, and some other relief as the court thinks fit. Name of the plaintiff. Verification. I, K. Rao, the above named plaintiff, do hereby verify that the content of para 1 to the last part is to be correct to my knowledge, and the contents are true and correct as per the advice or knowledge given by the counsel. Signature of the plaintiff. The written statement has not been codified in the CPC. A written statement means a pleading for defense or the reply statement filed by the defendant in a suit denying the allegations made against him by the plaintiff in the plaint. Written statement deals with the material of facts alleged by the plaintiff, with all those facts also made in his favor. Written statements should be drafted carefully. Examine of a plaint is necessary before proceeding to draft a written statement. Order 6 of CPC stated the written statement is a pleading of the defendant. Order 6 Rule 7 stated a defendant's relief claim in his defense in his written statement. Who can file a written statement? Defendant. Where there is more than one defendant, a common written statement is to be signed by all. Time limit for filing written statements. The written statement should be filed within 30 days from the service of summons by him and can be extended to 90 days. Concept of set off, a claim by the defendant against the plaintiff. It is a cross claim between parties to the suit for the recovery of the money. Essential conditions: the suit must be related to the recovery of the money. The sum of money must be ascertained and be legally recoverable. In the case where there is more than one defendant, the sum of money must be recoverable or by all the defendants. It must not exceed the pecuniary limits by the court. Both the parties must file the defendant's claim set off in the same manner as they filled in the plaintiff's suit.